Paper. Have some paper.
Lie down. Good.
I want to make it.
turn
Papa,
down,
can you
take
make
off your
this
glasses.
really high? Papa, can you make this as high as it goes? Hi.
Face down, face down. Okay, Tanner. Go ahead and turn over and sit down. Yeah, sit up. Interlace your fingers behind your neck. And relax your shoulders. Bring your hands down more. Yeah, down there. And go ahead and lie down. Good.
What is that? Is that popcorn?
Go ahead and lie on your back.
Papa, can I have some paper? Can I have some paper? Like from this. Looks like
Right
tissue.
there.
That's the kind I want.
And just relax your toes and your fingers and your shoulders. There you go. Oh.
I want to rip this off.
Good. All right. Tanner gets mad when she doesn't get popcorn. Okay.
Hey, I got some paper.
All right, come on, guys.